What's going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 2008 Softail Custom. Stick around at the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. This bike is very clean, a lot of chrome. Got RC component, Assault front and rear chrome wheels. RC stage 1 with the air cleaner. Cobra exhaust. This is one of 75 custom paint set. It's number 25 of 75. Harley Derby cover, upgraded horn cover. This bike only has 24,644 miles on it. Grips, chrome levers, mirrors. A lot of detail in the paint. Let's go ahead and get a start up. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.